What's up guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom, and the Nothing Phone 2 official images have been leaked, and indeed it is coming with a different setup in the camera module. As you can see right now, the Nothing Phone 2 will indeed be following the same footsteps of the Nothing Phone 1 and the Phone 2, and the Phone 2a will not be any kind of a different in this phone. Now, if we talk about the specifications of the phone, then the Nothing Phone 2a will be coming with a 6.7 inch of a Full HD Plus AMOLED display. It won't be an LTPO panel, but a high refresh rate of 120Hz will still be present in this phone, and an equal bezels all around the display of the phone. Apart from that, the processor is going to a MediaTek Dimensity 7200 Pro chipset in the phone, and it's going to be the first Nothing Phone 2 coming with a MediaTek processor. Android 14 will be coming in the phone out of the box, but one thing also you need to take care is that the phone will be coming with a major 2 years of major OS upgrades and 3 years of a security patch, which the Nothing will be going with this phone as well. Now, if we talk about the camera sensor, then the two camera sensors in the Nothing phone will be having a different sensors this time around. One will be the major primary camera, will be a 50 megapixel of a Sony camera, and will be a 50 megapixel of another camera as well. But if we talk about the selfie camera, it's going to be a Sony IMX615 of 32 megapixel, which we have seen in the previous Nothing phone, and the phone will be available in the two color options, which is black and white. But apart from that, if we talk about the build quality of the phone, built and what materials will be used, the back is going to be of glass, but the frame this time is going to be of plastic in the Nothing Phone 2a, as it is more of a budget oriented smartphone from the Nothing brand, and you can expect this phone to be launching at around 20 to 30,000 rupees of price bracket. Now, considering the Nothing also loses its prices very fast than the other competitors in this phone, one thing to make sure is that the phone this time around launches at the right price. Now, what do you think about this video? If you like it, then share it and hit that subscribe button so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.